Guys, I woke up with my voice cracked. You guys have to manage this voiceover, okay? This is how to get the presidential low bun style. You need your leave-in conditioner, a scarf, gel, spray bottle, that's optional. You also need cream and 2 combs, 1 parting comb and a white tooth comb. Now, if you know me, you know that I like to sleep with my hair in twists, detangled already, because this style, if your hair is not detangled, it will hurt you, baby girl. It will hurt you. So want to get your parting comb and then part your hair from ear to ear. Okay, it's not going to be equal because the back one is going to be more than the front side. The back one should be at least 2/3 of your hair. The front side is just 1/3 of your hair. Get what I mean? Now unravel your twist. Your hair is already detangled. Remember, if your hair is not detangled, please put your hair in twist the night before this style because you don't want stories that touch. You want to be able to part your hair freely without crying. Okay? Now moisturize your hair with your leave-in conditioner and your cream. Get the ends properly because you know those are your oldest strands and you want to keep them nice and moisturized to avoid breakage. Now brush properly and then tie your hair with a hair tie towards the nape of your neck. Let it go down very, very well. Remember, this is a low bun. Now, to the front section, you want to divide it equally into 2 parts. Part it properly. Use your parting comb. And then unravel your twist, detangle with your fingers, and then moisturize properly. Now we're using our leave-in conditioner and the cream as well, just so that the hair is nice and shiny by the time we're done. So even the night before, when you're putting your hair in twist, you have to moisturize it because moisturized hair means hair that will be, healthy and long. Okay, your hair won't be cutting anyhow. So what we want to do is make a style in front by, slanting. What's the English now? This is what I mean. So take your parting comb and then divide that one section into 2 and use a slanted line. You guys, I'm really bad at this, but you can see what I'm doing, right? Just divide that front into 4. You divided it into 2. Now divide it into 4. However you like. You could do a side part. I'm doing a center part and I'm also doing like slanted lines. So now gently, do you know what I mean? Gently cornrow your hair towards the back. And I mean gently because this is a temporary style. I'm carrying this hair for like 3 days, so it doesn't have to be serious. I feel like we hold our hair too tight in Nigeria because I don't understand where you going to that you want to, pluck your brains out from your hair. Now just twist the rest of the hair once you're done with the cornrows. See, it's not perfect. You can tell that I'm not used to braiding my own hair. You could also do flat twist here. It is absolutely fine if it's not perfect, okay, because this is a temporary style, like I said. Now I really don't know why my voice is like this, but you guys have to manage this voiceover. I feel like my throat is so dry. I don't know, this weekend I've been sleeping and I need to put out this video because I promised you guys. So continue to braid your hair. Remember to just not pick that hair from the edges. My edges have disappeared before in the past and I'm just not into doing tight styles anymore. When you don't do tight styles, your edges will be intact. Okay, that's the rule. Now take everything, the braids in front plus the puff at the back, and tie everything together towards the nape of your neck. Okay, it's a low bun, remember? Now gather all the tips like so and braid them. You want to braid only the tip, okay? And then tuck it inside because you want to create a puff. That's what we're doing. Your hair doesn't have to be so long for this, okay? You need to just manage what you have. If you don't have long length, just use gel, Pack everything towards the back with the gel. But when you're done, take some gel and then just a little bit, not too much, and then just smooth out the edges and tie your hair with a scarf. Don't tie the puff part, just tie the hair part so it's nice and slick when you unravel. Okay, so now I went to take a shower and my makeup artist was already on the way. So by the time we were done with the makeup and I took this out, oh my gosh, you guys, it was like money. It was so gorgeous. Just remember not to use too much gel because you don't want any white cast, but this style is beautiful. You could rock it anywhere. There's no meeting, there's no room you can't enter with this hairstyle. I hope you try it and thank you guys for watching. Mwah!